Hi, I'm Sirisha. I'm telling about differentiation and derivative. First, what is differentiation? The process of finding a derivative of a function is called differentiation. మనం ఏదైనా ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ని డెరివేట్ చేస్తే ద ప్రాసెస్ని డిఫరెన్సియేషన్ అని అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ డెరివేటివ్? Derivative means that represent the rate of change of one variable with respect to another. This is called derivative. Suppose we have a function f of x. How can we derivate f dash of x or df by dx? We can differentiate. Next, the differentiation formula is dy by dx is equal to limit h to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula of differentiation. Let's see one example here. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x. When we differentiate this equation, we get 2x plus 2. Here f of x is dependent one variable. This is called differentiation. Thank you. Now I'm telling about partial differentiation. What is partial differentiation is also known as partial derivative. The finding the derivative of a function has only one dependent variable, two or more independent variable. Let here z is equal to f of x comma y. Here z is dependent variable and x and y are independent variables. In partial differentiation, we can denote it by dou. In differentiation, we call as a d. In partial derivation, we are calculated similarly to single variable differentiation, but all other variables are treated as a constant. ఏదైనా ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ని డెరివేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇంకో వేరియబుల్ అనేది మనం కాన్స్టెంట్గా తీసుకుంటాం. Let's see example of partial differentiation. Here f of x comma y is equal to x square plus 2xy. So I am taking first x because y is constant. So we get 2x plus 2y. And I am differentiate with respect to y. X is constant. So I get 2x. This is called partial differentiation. Thank you.